Hello Cancer! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito ang reading natin for Cancer. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Cancer. Ito ay for the month of May going to June 2024. Ayan. Career and love reading tayo. Magsisimula tayo sa career. Take only what resonates. Pahit na lang ako ng subscribe button guys and notification bell at pa-comment. Kahit po heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. So, yan. Hopefully, ay mag-comment kayo sa baba. So, let's start. Cancer. Let's start your reading. This is for Cancer, Sun, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Cancer. Kunin natin yung mga messages for you. Cancer for May to June 2024. The world is here. Knight of Cups. The Hermit. Page of Swords. Five of Wands is here. Knight of Wands. Temperance, Ace of Cups. Three of Pentacles, and the Tower. Nakita ko yung ilalim ng card or yung bottom of the decks na maraming message doon. So, nakikita natin there's an offer for you. And with the world, yung iba pwedeng malayo itong offer na to, or maybe coming from your hometown. So, kung malayo ka sa hometown mo, or maybe ikaw ay nasa abroad, there's a possibility that there's an offer sa iyong hometown. Kung hindi man, maybe a person na malayo sa'yo. Yan. I can say a person na malayo sa'yo na pwedeng already seeing you or watching you, and pwedeng nakikita ka na nitong person na to, and then parang gusto niya mag-offer niyang something sa'yo. Now, nakakakita tayo ng growth sa'yo financially with the Tower. Or with the Three of Pentacles, sorry. Pero kailangan mo munang mag-end ng something, or kailangan mo nang may i-end ka muna. Now, with the Ace of Cups, yung iba kasi, pwedeng ang tendency with the Temperance is maghintay, or bago tapusin ay may mga tatapusin muna or may gagawain muna, and maybe yung offer is hindi agad-agad tanggapin. Ngayon, the Ace of Cups is here. This is an offer na matiyak na magugustuhan mo, or an offer na talagang gusto mo. If you really do like the offer, kumbaga nakikita mo yung sarili mo na ito talaga ang gusto mo, might as well accept this offer. Kasi bakit? Kasi kung patatagalin mo pa, there's a possibility na magkaroon ka ng maraming kakompetensya. Magkaroon ng conflict. The Lovers is here, Gemini energy. And especially kung yung person na nagbibigay ng offer sa'yo ay meron na kayong partnership, understanding, or kilala mo na siya, or may friendship, maybe even friendship, or maybe relationship sa inyong dalawa. Ito yung time na dapat tanggapin mo with the Knight of Wands, lagyan mo ng actions. Kasi sayang dahil possible na itong offer na ito, iba ang makakuha. Marami ang nagmamata or marami ang tumitingin dito sa offer na ito, and they do like the offer as well. Pero hindi nga lang sa kanila ibinibigay yung offer. Nagigets mo? Pwedeng there's a situation wherein itong offer na ito nakalaan para sa'yo. Ngayon, kung paghihintayin mo or magdidesisyon ka muna na etc. Marami kang rason, etong offer na ito is pwedeng mai-offer sa iba. And like what I've told you, maganda yung offer, pwedeng yung offer ay iba ang makakuha. So, alam mo yan sa sarili mo, kung talagang gusto mo yung isang bagay, i-push mo yon, no? Dahil, yun nga, baka ma-miss mo yung opportunity na sa'yo naman talaga nakalaan, sa'yo talaga ibinibigay. Okay? May mga bagay ka lang na talagang kailangan tapusin na agad. And yan yung reading for you pagdating sa iyong career. Now, let's move on to your love reading, Cancer. For your love reading, Cancer, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Cancer. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, para sa mga Cancer. Okay. Six of Cups, yeah. Two of Cups, the Moon, the Tower, and the Queen of, the Wheel of Fortune. I thought nakita ko yung the Queen of Wands, but anyway, you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Someone in the past is thinking about you. Maybe this is an ex. Gusto niyang i-message ka or gusto niya ng relationship sa inyong dalawa. Could be a soulmate, guys. The Tower, may mga kailangan ka lang i-end or baguhin. And with the Ten of Wands, I feel like itong person na to is really interested sa'yo, no? Willing siyang ibigay lahat ng meron siya. And with the Nine of Pentacles, this is the kind of person na loyal. Hindi siya makikipag-connect or relasyon sa'yo na parang putyo-putyong relasyon lang. This person wants something with you, with the Page of Pentacles, something na, very, sabihin na natin, very stable. Pero, yung iba kasi sa inyo, mas inuuna yung pera. Medyo immature pagdating sa connection or relationship dahil mas inuuna or pinagfo-focusan mo na yung mga gustong mangyari sa buhay with the Star or gustong mangyari ng pamilya or I can say family or kung ano yung pangarap mo or kung ano yung gusto mo munang ma-achieve. Yung iba sa inyo, this is you na parang gusto mo muna ng ganito, gusto mo muna ng ganyan, gusto mo muna ma-achieve yung mga pangarap mo, etc., mga plano mo, etc. But, this person is very loyal to you. Willing siyang ibigay lahat ng meron siya para sa'yo. Now, what's with the Tower and the Wheel of Fortune? The Tower and the Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the Page of Cups and the Knight of Wands and the King of Swords. Ayan, the Lovers is here, the Ace of Swords is here, Ten of Swords is here. The way I see this, parang kung gusto mo ng person na ka-connect, doon ka na sa mature, no? Alam mo yan kung yung person na ka-connect mo in the past is mature, and sabihin na natin this person is obsessed with you, feeling niya kasi marami siyang kakompetensya Feeling nga niya wala siyang chance para sa'yo. But, this King of Swords is very mature with the Knight of Wands, kasi hindi siya a-action ng ganyan kung hindi niya nakikita na mag-work yung connection ninyo. And I feel like this person with the Page of Cups, gusto ka niya. Okay, lalo na kung siya yung nag-i-effort, lalo na siya kung gumagawa siya ng action, nakikipag-communicate siya sa'yo, gusto ka niya. Na iba yung reading, yung iba sasabihin, hindi naman nakikipag-connect sa akin yung person ko Then, itong part na ito is not your reading. I feel like, for now, kailangan mo munang mag-focus sa sarili mo. You need to complete yourself. Pero yung iba, na may person in the past na nakikipag-connect sa'yo, this is the person na parang with the Ten of Swords and the Lovers and the Ace of Swords, kailangan tignan mo rin ang sarili mo kung ano yung magiging kalalabasan pag nakipag-connect kapag nakipagkarelasyon ka dito sa taong to. Gusto mo ba yung sitwasyon mo? Gusto mo ba yung connection ninyo? Or gusto mo ba yung future with this person? Kasi itong person that is technically future yung iniisip niya with you. Hindi lang pang present moment, but for the future na rin. Sabi ko nga, mature siya. And there's a possibility that this person is your soulmate. And, yan. So, nasa sayo yan. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.